Okay, so now that we know how to prompt, let's now talk about vision and also web search. Now you should have web search on all the time. When I personally use Claude, I have web search all the time. This is because if I want current events about what's going on in WordPress or what's the drama with Google or whatever else, it's going to search the internet, fetch all the information, and always give me current events. The next option is vision. Now you can take images and upload them directly onto Claude, and they can analyze website landing pages, they can analyze YouTube thumbnails, reports, spreadsheets, or whatever, and they can give you detailed summaries of anything that you want. I personally use the actual image feature to help critique my thumbnails on YouTube. I say, hey guys, look man, these other guys are getting a lot of different views. What am I doing wrong? And usually it's my thumbnail. You can also use it for taxes. I personally have used AI for my taxes before. You can take a lot of your taxes, upload it to Claude, and you can say, read this, separate the expenses into different categories, and this will help you with write-offs when it comes to tax season. It does a pretty good job at going through spreadsheets and giving you summaries. So let me go ahead and show you these features. Now, this is my website, darrelwilson.com. I personally think this is a pretty decent looking website, right? But maybe Claude has different opinions. So what I'm gonna do over here is go over to the plus. And the first thing I can do is either take a screenshot. So for example, I'll click on take a screenshots. And over here, I'll click on window. And then I'll click on the website here and click on share. Okay, so Claude is basically taking a screenshot via my browser. So I wanna go ahead and ask Claude, what do you think of this landing page? Can I improve this? What is bad from this landing page? So for this example, I'll just do something very basic. This is my website landing page. What can I improve? What are things I can work on to help conversions? Now, you always want to go ahead and make sure web search is on. Sometimes what it'll do is that it'll actually scout the internet, find very high converting pages, and then reference that with your image. So I'll go ahead and run this. And oh my God, they're actually right. So let's take a look here at the response. So they're basically saying my headline is too vague. So it doesn't say why they should pick me. And to be fair, I don't really have any social proof. It just says like I help people and that's about it. But I'm not explaining why they should pick me. So am I certified? Do I have top reviews? Do I have awards? I don't have any of this on my landing page, right? And over here, two CTAs competing with each other. Now this might be debatable, but I still think they have a good point. So I am selling website templates, but I'm also recommending training videos. Now this can be contradictory to one another because on one point, I'm trying to make them buy something. And on the second, I'm trying to teach them something. So I guess Claude does have a point there. And again, we have no social proof. Now, Claude knows who I am, and they're saying, why don't you just put like that you're trusted by 500,000 subscribers? On my website here, I don't have any social proof whatsoever. So adding this, I think will definitely help. The next two instructions, I agree again. So who is this website for? Like who is your target audience? And I don't really tell anybody. I just say I help people make businesses. I should have said I want to teach beginners how to make websites. That would be a lot more relevant. And lastly, we have nav has too many items. I do agree we have way too many items here on the nav menu. I did my best to try to narrow it down. Maybe I'll make more drop-down menus, but they do have a good point. My nav menu does have a lot of items on it. And to give some constructive feedback, they do let me know that my brand positioning is strong. The biggest win will come from sharpening that headline. So I think maybe I should make those changes. Now, by doing this for your own website, you can really get feedback on how to improve conversions. And now that Claude said all these things, I think I should change my website.